Hey everybody, I'm going to be showing you how to install a 4-prong cord on one of our slide-in ranges today. I want you to take note of the sticker right here on the back of the unit that actually has instructions for the 3-wire or the 4-wire connection, but I'm going to walk you through and show you how to do the 4-wire hookup. So the first step is actually taking our rear cover off. That's a 1/4-inch screw. We're going to remove our cover and gain access to our block. Now on our block we've got 3 screws that we're going to be taking out, all 1/4-inch. This is where our wires are going to connect. Now a 4-prong cord actually uses colors. It has a black, a white, a green, and a red. We're going to marry everything up to its corresponding color on this block. If you pay attention, that's our red, so we're going to connect our red here. This is our white wire, so the white's going to go here. This is our black, so the black's going to go here. The only difference with a 4-prong is this little grounding strap. We are going to have to remove this grounding strap to be able to connect our ground properly on this block. So we're going to go ahead and remove our ground screw. This is where our green wire off of our 4-prong power cord is going to mount. Then we're going to take a 3/8 driver and we're going to loosen our center nut on our block. This is going to give us access to these 2 white wires. It's actually 3 white wires, 2 eyelets. We're going to pull these off, and that's going to give us access to this little copper piece. Now this copper piece is not needed for a 4-prong cord, so we're going to dispose of that. We're going to put our white wires back, but ensure that you place them so that all the flat sides rest against the wall or rest against the metal. That way we don't have any arcing. We're going to snug that up again to ensure that we don't have any arcing between the metals. So we can go ahead and install our power cord on. We're going to slide it into the hole from the bottom. Now I always start with the ground screw in this process, just so the other wires aren't in my way. Just make certain that you've got the flat side of these eyelets on they got to fit flush against the metal. That way we don't get any issues. And this is where we're marrying everything up. We're matching them up. The black wire is going to go to the black, red's going to go to the red, white's going to go to the white. We're going to take these screws that we previously removed and we're going to screw them back in. Now what I like to do is I always go counterclockwise for a second, then I'll tighten them down. That way we do not cross thread. If you cross thread one of these screws, you're going to end up having to properly do the repair or the installation. You're going to have to remove the block. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and install our strain relief clamp. Now it's 2 parts that go on either side of it. We're going to slide them up and align our holes on both sides of it. And then it's a Phillips screw, well, 2 Phillips screws. Now whenever I'm doing these, I like to lift up on the larger insulated wire to ensure that that's getting good, and so that we're not pulling. We don't want our power cord to be pulling on our block before I tighten it down. And to complete the installation of the power cord, we're going to put our rear panel back on. Tighten our little 1/4-inch screw. And we're done.